Fast food nation, the dark side of the all-American meal. First published 2002. 117 subjects: finance, food science, technology, popular culture, professional genres book, non-fiction, original language, English language, hospitality and catering. Diver's Voyages, touching the discovery of America and the islands adjacent. A day. Performing tourist places. Subjects: finance, tourism, geography, genres book, mathematics, science. On the beaten track. On the beaten track. The world of exploration. No frills. No frills. The tourist gaze. The tourist gaze. Around the world in 100 years. Subjects: adventure, travel, tourism, United States of America, exploration, genres book, children's literature. Voyages of exploration. Voyages of exploration. Tourism. Subjects: travel, tourism, geography, genres book, speculative fiction. Tourist season. Tourist season. Tourist trap. Subjects: tourism, family, animal, genres book, speculative fiction, children's literature fiction. The naked tourist, in search of adventure and beauty in the age of the airport mall. Consuming places. Subjects: social science, economic history, tourism.
Hey guys, thank you so much for the support and likes and comments down below, and also thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to see you in the next video. Then take care. Bye.